Hi, hello guys, welcome to the channel. This video will show you how to create a Gantt chart in Google Sheets. So here I already opened my Google Sheets, and then if I want to create a Gantt chart, what you have to do is click this file and then click new, and then click this from template gallery. It will be redirected to another windows, and then find the Gantt chart. So you scroll down. Where's the Gantt chart here? See, this is the Gantt chart. Wait, where is it? Here, the Gantt chart or the project timeline. This is project management template from Smart Sheets. So you can click this one, and then it will make a new Google Sheets file. You create new Sheets file, and then you can edit whatever you want to do in these sheets, and then you can customize it. It depends on your project preferences. Okay, that's it. This very simple tutorial. I hope it's helpful for you. If it's, please subscribe our channel. Thank you for watching. Bye.